In this video, you will learn how to upload images and documents. Open a model of your choice. Drag any image from your computer and drop it into the editor. A note object displaying the image is automatically created. In the same manner, drag any document from your computer and drop it into the object catalog. A document object containing the file is automatically generated. Drag and drop your document onto the desired object. Choose one of the possible relationships. Open the notebook to see your object. Clicking on the file will start the download. Have a look at the Edu IT online help for more information.